Hey everyone, John here from Techie Review. Now it's been a couple of years since I've posted any new videos to my channel. Been quite busy, but I'm back today with a new unboxing and review video for you. I've got a few things coming up and especially excited about the Oculus Rift S, which is due out in a couple of weeks. So please subscribe, stay tuned and get notified when I upload any new videos. Now today's video we are looking at the Shadow Ghost. Now if you're not sure what Shadow Ghost is or what Shadow is, essentially it's a cloud-based Windows 10 gaming PC which you can stream to pretty much any device as long as you've got a screen and an internet connection. Now the Shadow Ghost, which is what this is, allows you to connect a monitor, keyboard, mouse, even your game controllers, and you've basically got a Windows 10 gaming PC. Now the beauty of this is that you don't have to worry about all this expensive gaming hardware, because right now the configuration with the Shadow is an NVIDIA GTX 1080 or equivalent, 12 gig of RAM, 256 gig of storage, but you can increase that up to a terabyte, and a gigabit internet connection. Now if you're interested and want to know more about Shadow, I'll leave some links below. If you want to try Shadow out, I'll leave my referral code and you can get £10 off your first month. So let's get this open, take a look inside. Taking a quick look on the outside of the box, on the top we have a picture of the Shadow Ghost. On the side we've got the technical specifications. So HDMI monitor up to 4K, Ultra HD, USB ports, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth. On the side here, so there's no fans, so it's 100% silent. Wi-Fi, Bluetooth. Underneath, just a few more pictures and a bit more information. So this is the actual Shadow Ghost itself. It is really, really small. User guide, which just tells you where things are, how to connect things up, and software update which you need to do before you really do anything with it. Now when I first got this, it did say that you have to run the updates via Wi-Fi, so don't connect Ethernet cable in, you have to run it, connect your Wi-Fi and run it up that way. Power brick, sockets or connectors for rest of the world, and one HDMI 2 cable. That is really all there is to it. Now this is your gaming PC. So on the front here we have the button, underneath that is a red LED, so it lets you know when it's on. And then we've got Ethernet, USB ports, HDMI, 3.5mm jack and power. And that really is the Shadow Ghost, and that is your gaming PC. When you turn on your Shadow, you're presented with a login screen, and at the bottom left you can select your Wi-Fi, Bluetooth and your keyboard layout. Once logged in, there are a couple of things you can configure, like your bandwidth settings, low connection mode and alternative colour rendering. Once you're happy with those settings, you click start at the bottom of the screen and it will load your Shadow PC. To give you an idea how good the Shadow PC is for gaming, I'm going to run TimeSpy, the 3D Mark benchmarking program, and this will give you an indication at how good this PC will perform in a lot of the games today. So let's run this and see what we get. Comparing our results online, you can see that our score is better than 51% of all the results. Now, I hope you found this video useful. If you're interested in trying Shadow out, remember there's a referral code in the description which you can get £10 off your first month. So thanks for watching. Please remember to like and subscribe, and I will see you all in the next video.